back to the e-learning portal. In this video, still on session 5, we would look at banking documents, transport document, and insurance documents. But before we begin with the banking document, I would like us to look at the tail end of the previous video, which was about invoice and packing list. An invoice or commercial invoice, I mentioned in the previous video, is a document that provides information about the terms and conditions of a sales transaction. A number of different types of invoices are used in international trade, and it's simply a document prepared by the seller on its own form that sets forth the name of the parties, the type of merchandise sold, the price, and the other relevant information the seller deems fit to enable the buyer transact or clear their imports at the destination port. Packing list gives information about what is supposed to be included in a particular shipment, and simply it does simplify unpacking and warehousing. You can use the packing list to confirm or verify the goods in a particular consignment, so that when they are unpacked or packed into any warehouse, you could use the packing list to confirm what was shipped. Now, banking documents. The process of buying and paying for the goods and any other payments require relatively few documents. When the payment method is cash in advance, it may be as simple as the importer sending the exporter or the seller a check, or depositing the check in the seller's bank account. In open account and credit card transactions, they are equally uncomplicated, and many of you may have used credit cards to honor payments of transactions, which is quite straightforward. In bankers' documentary collection, the payment may be by bill of exchange, on site, or time draft. That will be dealt with later on. The exporter must complete a form to instruct their bank to prepare the draft, and this draft is sent to the importer's bank, and so forth and so on. There are a few things to explain in subsequent topics. The fourth document may be in the form of a letter of credit. This is a more secured method of payment in international trade than the other forms of payment, and it is widely used. This would also be explained in details in another topic. A letter of credit may involve the letter of credit itself, the advice of the letter of credit, and then the draft that will be drawn in a bank for payment. The next document I would like to deal with is the transport document. The main purpose of transport document is to keep track of merchandise as it passes from one hand to another, and to make sure it isn't